Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not for from KingMixUp, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my peeps. My dad yourself for telling no what I go on for not to go on, you see me? So, whoa, it's not a good look for squash on the 6th. Right about now, because I'm sure to see the viral news about Jamaican Dolly get caught, picking up $8,000 from one 74-year-old victim and she got arrested for it. You see what I say? Some lottery scamming thing, you don't know the thing said. You know what I'm saying? But when the Dolly got arrested and she was questioned, she said a man named Zidane Prescott orchestrated her. I told her if I go pick up the money and she can get $1,200 out of the situation. You see my answer? So, she got for the piece of food. She told the police them, the feds them, that she done it about 10 times already. And she showed communication between she and Zidanne. You know what I mean? So may I read the transcript them know from the court and may I say the name Zidane Prescott and it's just resonating with my mind. I say, yo, I still that name there before, You know what I mean? So I go check my files real quick and fast. And I say, the same individual that was locked up with Squash. Remember, say, the Miami Beach police arrested Squash for the knockers, them, when them did a drive with the Benz. You see me, I say, him driver Prescott, had one knockers under the situation too. You know what I mean? On the film driver's seat. But they never get charged for it. You see what I said? This is the transcripts with Zidanne's name. You can look on line 85. You can press pause and read them court documents and things. But boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's not a good look, because I don't know him get off of them gun charge there, You see what I say? Even though it was just found under his seat, so it would have been hard to prove. Say I feel more if he was just a driver. You see what I say? But no one got charged for that second knockers in a Squash case. I don't even think it was presented, you know what I'm saying? And this is where Zidanne's name was mentioned in a Squash court case. So that's why I said that's the connection with Squash driver. And again, this is what I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I hope these proceeds wasn't meant to reach Squash, because the RICO thing now gonna look good, You see my ass and the things that you see now are just from that case that I talk about where he got locked up by the Miami PD, because the feds told him to do it. His side. So it's not a good look, man. It's a 74-year-old victim and the people them was trying to scam, $8,000 from her and all of these things. And, them almost get one Uber driver arrested, one white man. You see what I say? Because him did a pick up boxes and all of them stuff them. You see what I say? So she called out, who, the boys, you see what I'm saying, and them lined them up because she said she first got suspect of something wasn't right with this when she heard the Jamaican accent. And I can't go read the transcript them that we post this, but me just again a quick update while going for that to go and Squash driver. Some bagger and the boy them want him. He's listed as a suspect now. You see me, I say the feds them probably have him on a surveillance right, so him at. So do the right thing and subscribe to the King and them get locked up. We're gonna review about it. You see me, I say, so let's check out these next videos and let's see on the screen. In the meantime, bless.